caterpillar.
It's Thomas's caterpillar.
Okay, number one rule, we do not go on the tent or near the tent with shoes.
This is our first family camping trip. It's Memorial Day weekend, 2015. It's been an adventure beyond. We almost ran out of gas after we went unexpectedly off-roading to get here and had to drive 30 miles out of our way just to find a gas station. We did not run out of gas. We have just made it and we could not be more excited.
Daddy, can I help you?
Yeah. Hold on a second.
We have lots of plans. We're gonna make s'mores and spend time with our family. My dad's gonna do it all. Because he does.
I lost him.
Your caterpillar?
Yeah.
You better find him. He probably went off the table.